I like raised him. I was like, don't stress, there's the launch pad. You just jump there, I've got you, boo-boo. Hop on the launch pad, fly into the zone, everything's gonna be just fine. I look at the thing, he said, I'm gonna die. Oh my God, I'm like, use the launch pad! Hang on. Don't let him see you because, okay, you gotta go into zone though. If you
I see him.
Okay, careful. Shh. No, don't shoot. Oh, fuck.
I didn't mean to.
Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Go that way. Yeah, go don't go that way. You're going in out of zone. Yeah, go that way. Yeah, to the left. Go left. 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 That's right. Oh, God. You got this. One more left. Behind you. No! Your girl is on the page. Guys, we made it on the page. Which is super cool. Just get it, baby. All right, go, Alfred. Alfred's in the front. Yes, bitch. Oh, you. How did you run faster than me? Shut up. Go away. Yes. Stupid. Ha. Alfred. No. Oh. I suck at this. No, I'm gonna die. Go. No! Ew! No! I'm a freak the out. How the fuck do you get over? What?
You get like the UAVs and there's like orange boxes, money, and I think there's a loadout too that you get like a
Somebody come look at this.
skin. Yeah.
Look at this.
I need to take C4 off my thing, man. You guys saw nothing.
Someone said they're messing with you.
What? There was a person there. I swear there's a person standing there. I was shooting the total wrong thing. Alright, little hashtag 293 in the chat. Balls deep. Oh. Please do not reference me on anything that I say, copyrighted or disclaimer alerts. Terms and conditions apply. Thank you very much. Oh, I can do a lot of accents. I can do Irish as well. You know, like Irish. How you doing, lassie? There you going. Oh, I can do Scottish. I'm a Scotsman. Oh, I could come from like Newcastle. It's like your flay. You make me look like a mug. You know what I mean? Like it's not on. Why does my thing keep like typing? This thing is literally typing exactly what I'm saying to me boyfriend. Is going to be like, what the are you saying? Like, do you know that the difference between like your chestal area and your feet? I mean, it's very different looking. Like that's your feet, yeah? That's your foot, and that's your chest. Like it's two. Can you see the difference between the two? Your foot and your chest. Your foot and your chest. Very different. So very different. I'm gonna give you some entertainment. Alright, and they've gone in, and they're shooting, and it's all black, and it's making me feel sick, and I'm gonna vomit. And she shot someone from the right. There's a guy that cracked to the front. She doesn't know how she's being shot by the right. To the left. There's someone to the left. Somebody down there. Oh shit. Holy fuck, bruh. Jeez, like, that's 7 real people up. Shooting range, bruh. Let me tell you, I shut up battles for bruh, man, bruh. Ah! Oh! Oh my god, somebody clipped that. That was nasty. Where's this last football? Pow. Yeah. Okay, he's flying. Your drone flying or what?
Brad, you see it or not yet?
Brad, where's it? Oh, he's still in fucking top.
They still killing me.
No, my game crashed, B. No. B, kill them.
One day.
B, my game crashed. Bruh, you got it.
Yes!
Did you get it?
White bra.
Oh. No, kill him. That's so unfortunate. No.
Yes!
Did you get it?
I got it.
Yes, we won! Brother, we're still chilling upstairs. I should have thrown more bloody gas upstairs. Brother, someone chilling upstairs in the bloody storm. Like singing Romeo and Juliet on the top floor, bruh. Waiting for the storm, bruh. Oh my... You're lying! I can't take you anywhere.
Look at this.
No game.
Somebody come and look at this.
Well, how did you blow yourself up?
Look at
Sorry. Woo, a baby in the front. That's right. Only winners go in the front. Let's go, Alfred. Beast. Yeah, you show them your sexy ass. Let's go. Alfred's in the front, queen. Back now. Bro, slow down, you fat ass. We're gonna all get pushed over. Oh my god, I'm pushed by the parrot, bro. Yeah, what happens when you try to take a shortcut? Yeah, knocks you off. Yeah, that thing. Yeah, go Alfred. No, you Alfred, you suck. Oh god. Chat was saying we're looking good. Go Alfred. Alfred, get the fuck up. Bro, you took that. Yes. What? I'm out. Bro, this thing's one shot, bro. Oh, my game crashed! Hello? Oh my, praise the Lord. I'm gonna... Now, no, we're gonna kick off some supporter games that I just bit my tongue. That was fucking sore, no lie.